Hello and welcome back to another video. And last time, where did we leave it? Fix the bug where a global declaration in an accept block is rejected when the global is used in the else block contributed by Irit, Ktrill, and GH111123. We already did this. The next point is many functions now emit a warning if a Boolean value is passed as a file descriptor argument. This can help catch some errors earlier. Contributed by Sergei Storchaka in GH82626. GH82626. And if you want to study more deeply about it, we can just right click. What is this? GH82626. Sergei Storchaka in GH82626. Okay. So this is it. I just right clicked on it and it opened this. This is the person, Sergei Storchaka. So this is it. So this is it. You can read it if you want. So it's time to ask Perplexity to help us out understand. Please explain to me easily. When you pass a Boolean value true or false as a file descriptor argument to a function, it can lead to unexpected behavior or errors. Alright, so if we pass a Boolean value true or false as a file descriptor argument to a function, it can lead to behavior and unexpected behavior or errors because file descriptors are typically integers that will represent open files. By emitting a warning when a Boolean value is used or a file descriptor is expected, developers are alerted to a potential mistake in their code. This early detection can help prevent issues and improve the overall reliability of the program. This improvement was contributed by Sergei Storchaka to enhance the quality and robustness of the code base. Alright, so that is what we learned from Perplexity and what this means. Thank you very much, Perplexity, for helping us learn and studying. The next point is added a new environment variable, Python _frozen _modules. It determines whether or not frozen modules are ignored by the import machinery. Equivalent of the, what is this? -x frozen _modules command line option. Contributed by Yili Yang in GH 111374. Alright, so let's ask Perplexity about this as well. Explain this as well. And this is related to Python. Alright, the new environment variable Python frozen modules is an addition to Python's import machinery, which is responsible for loading and let me just zoom in on this, which is responsible for loading and managing modules during runtime. This variable is designed to work with frozen modules, which are precompiled Python modules that are distributed as part of a Python application. When the Python frozen modules environment variable is set, it allows developers to control whether or not frozen modules are ignored by the import machinery. This behavior is equivalent to using the -x frozen _modules command line option. In other words, if the Python frozen modules variable is set to a non-empty value, the import machinery will ignore frozen modules. This can be useful in certain scenarios, such as when you want to ensure that only non-frozen modules are loaded during runtime. This feature, contributed by Yili Yang, enhances the flexibility and control of Python's import machinery, allowing developers to better manage their application's modules and dependencies. Alright, so I hope you understood this. If we want, we can ask Perplexity it even more easily. Please. We can ask Perplexity to explain it even more easily. Alright, so the Python frozen modules environment variable is a new feature in Python that helps manage precompiled Python modules. Frozen modules in your application, right? So it helps us manage precompiled Python modules. By setting this variable, you can control whether or not these frozen modules are used when the import machinery loads modules during runtime. This feature is similar to the -x frozen modules command line option in simpler terms. This variable lets you decide if you want to use precompiled modules, frozen modules, or not when your Python application runs. So it's a variable, and it lets you decide if you want to use these precompiled modules, and they're also known as frozen modules. So do we want to use these precompiled modules, or do we not want to use them during when the Python application runs? Do we want to use these frozen modules or not? This can be helpful in situations where you want to ensure that only specific modules are used in your application. So that was it for today, and I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much, and I hope the people watching this video have a very good day. I hope all the good luck for you all, and I hope a very good day to you all, and I hope all the good things to you, and I hope you get all the happiness and good health and good things in life. Thank you very much, viewers. Thank you very much, people. Have a very nice day.